Freedom isn't found in the hustle and bustle of the city. It's found here, where freedom begins at dawn. It's found in the quiet moments and the everyday challenges, and the simple joys and the hard-earned rewards. Freedom is personal. It's living on your own terms, living off your own land. Everybody does their part. It's in true service to our family and our neighbors. Here, it's more than a home. It's a way of living. Find your freedom. Find your inner cowboy. Discover life on Trinity Hills Ranch.